Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I finally decided to make a wedding dress for my paper Barbie. You can do it too, it's very easy. Now I'll show you how I made this dress. You will need fabric, ribbon, needle and thread, scissors and velcro for the top of the dress. To decorate the dress, I took roses for nail design. They can be easily found on the internet. Let's start with the top of the dress. I took two types of fabric. I'll fold the bottom fabric along the edges and sew a line on a sewing machine. Since the dress is small, this can easily be sewn by hand. This is what I got. Let's try it on the doll and sew velcro on one edge. Then measure the size again and sew the second side of the velcro. This is the result we got. It already looks like a dress. For the skirt, I took some sheer fabric and cut 3 rectangles about 15 inches wide, and I made 3 different lengths. I didn't measure them. Now we'll take the longest rectangle and sew a simple seam along the top. Then gather it to the size of the top. We'll do the same with the other 2 rectangles. Since my fabric was too sheer, I decided to add another skirt. I took some pink fabric, finished the edges on 3 sides and gathered it just like the previous skirts. Now I'll sew the skirts on one by one, starting from the top. I put them on the top, good side to good side, and sew the line. Here is what I got. Let's try it on a doll. I think it fits perfectly. I added a ribbon as a belt. Let's make a bridal veil. I took a small rectangle of fabric and sewed from the top. Then I cut a circle out of cardboard and glued the veil with hot glue. Now I'll attach it to the doll's head with double-sided tape. All that is left is to decorate the dress with roses. I'll attach them with hot glue. Here's our dress, and it's ready. It's time to make a suit for Ken. To do this, print out the suit template. You'll find it in the description of this video. You can download it for free from our website. In the template, you will find white and black suits. Laminate the page, then cut out the parts you need. Let's dress our Ken. He looks amazing. Oh yeah, we forgot the bridal bouquet. For this, I cut out small stripes of green paper and glued them to the cardboard. I added leaves and the same roses for the nail design. I decorated it all with a satin ribbon and the bridal bouquet is ready. Barbie and Ken look very beautiful. It's time to get ready for the wedding. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!